In this video I'm going to show you how to connect Google Drive to n8n in under 1 minute. First of all, inside a blank n8n canvas, type Google Drive and then select it. Click on any trigger or action, I will choose the first one, and then click Select Credential, Create New Credential. Inside of this, choose OAuth 2 and then click on the OAuth redirect URL. After you've done that, go to the Google Cloud console, which you can find by typing this address. Then inside of that, type Google Drive. Once you're there, click on Manage, or if you haven't ever clicked on it before, click on Enable. Then go to Credentials, and inside of this, click on Create Credentials, OAuth Client ID, and then click Application Type, Web Application, and call it Google Drive, or just Drive. Then the important part is to here on the authorized redirect URI, click on it and then paste the redirect that we just got. Then click on create and you will get the client ID and the client secret. Copy both of these in here, and again for the secret in here, and then click sign in with Google. Now in order for this to work, you must make sure that for audience, the account that you want to log in with is added as a test user, which you can do by clicking add user. And after that, click sign in with Google and select that account and log in. Accept everything here, and once you've done that, your connection is stable. You can select a specific file or folder from your Google Drive by clicking file from list and then select the file. That was it for me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye.